It's not surprising that people from our community take social distancing very seriously. No, we are not hiding in our homes. We are stopping the spread of danger out of love for our families and for our neighbors. But these times shouldn't mean that we are forced into denying ourselves fun and adventure. It's time for innovative solutions. Getting out of the house and driving is one of the true joys we can allow ourselves. Even more so if you're driving a BMW. At BMW of Ridgefield, we've innovated a safe, fun, and friendly process to get you behind the wheel. Just follow these easy steps right on your computer or device at bmwofridgefield.com. Step 1. On our website, you can search our inventory and view detailed pictures of the cars you're interested in. Find available equipment, discover finance or lease options and terms, and even get great incentive offers. Step 2. Contact us at your convenience by calling, texting, or submitting an online form or chat. Step 3. To help you select the best vehicle, we will connect you with a client advisor who can guide you through the entire process and collect some information online. Step 4. With your advisor, schedule a curbside test drive in a thoroughly sanitized BMW. While you're there, we can provide a trade-in value for your current vehicle. If a test drive is not desired, we can send you vehicle walk-around videos. Step 5. All your paperwork, including contracting, arranging financing, insurance, and vehicle registration, will be done online. That's it. Your new sanitized BMW can be picked up at our contact-free delivery center.
That was easy.
It's the excitement of a new BMW from a social distance.